What's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how you export the code from your Webflow website. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the websites that you have, and you have the option to go ahead and start a new website. So as you can see, there is the option right here to create a new site, but for today's video, guys, I'm going to be using this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So guys, let's go ahead and open up the website right here by clicking on it and clicking on Open Designer. And now this will open up the website in the Designer tab in the page. So as you can see here, guys, now we have successfully opened the website, and you will be greeted by this page right here where you can go ahead and edit your website. You can edit your text, your headings, and so on. But guys, let's say that you want to export the code from this Webflow website so you can go ahead and put it into another code, into another website. How do you do that, guys? Well, it's very easy. All you have to do is go right here into the upper right corner next to the share button. Right here you will find the button which says export code. Guys, go ahead and click on that, and this will now open up this new menu where you can choose if you want to export your code in HTML or CSS or JavaScript and so on. You can select whichever option you want, and after that, guys, you can go ahead and copy paste the code from here. But you need to upgrade your plan. You cannot do it in a free plan. As you can see, I currently have a free plan and cannot copy the code. So all you have to do is just go ahead and upgrade your plan, and then you'll be able to copy the code right here, and you will be able to export it to another website. But yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.